Welcome to Metaminds Academy. In this class, we are going to learn the concept of calendars. So, the problem that we are going to deal in calendars is finding the day of the week on a particular given date. Once you are given the date, you are required to find out the day of the week, right? Day on that particular date. So, the process of finding lies in the concept of odd days. So what is an odd day? This is very important concept. What is an odd day? Number of days more than the complete number of weeks in a given period is the number of odd days during that period. Suppose we are given 10 days. 10 days is equal to, once you convert this into weeks, you will get 1 week plus 3 days, 3 extra days, right? So these 3 days are called odd days. We cannot convert it into a week, so it is odd days. So 3 odd days. So in 15 days, we have 2 weeks plus 1 odd day. 1 odd day. Suppose in 25 days, we have 3 weeks plus 4 odd days. And if you take 21 days, it is exactly equal to 3 weeks and 0 odd days. There are no odd days in 21 days. Okay. So coming to some important facts and formula in calendars. An ordinary year has 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. So how do you find whether a given year is a leap year? You divide it by 4. If it is divisible, then it is a leap year. Otherwise, it is not a leap year. It is an ordinary year. But you have a small condition here. Remember, for example, 1992 is a leap year. 1996, 2004, 2008, 2012. All these are leap years because they are all divisible by 4. But very important point here is every 4th century is a leap year, but no other century is a leap year. Means what? 400th year. So when the calendar starts from 0, you will get 400th year, right? So 400th year is a leap year, 800th year is a leap year, 1200th year is a leap year, 1600th year is a leap year, 2000. All these are 400 multiples. They are all leap years when it comes to century, right? But if you take 100th year from 0, 100th year, 200th year, this is a century. This is double century, triple century, like that, right? So, and 400. 400 is a leap year, but 100th year is not a leap year, 200th year, 300th year, they are all not leap years. You have to remember this. This is very important concept. So, again, 500th year, 600, 700 years are not leap years. They are all ordinary years, whereas 800th year is again a leap year, right? So you should remember this. This is very important point. So therefore 1900, even though it is divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. 2100, 2200, they are all not leap years even though they are divisible by 4. That is very important point you should remember. So when it comes to counting the number of odd days, so an ordinary year has how many days? It has 365 days. 365 days you can convert into weeks. You will get 52 weeks and you will remain with one odd day. So an ordinary year has one odd day. And then when it comes to a leap year, it has 366 days, which is 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. When you divide 366 by 7, you will get 52 weeks and you will remain with 2 days, which is number of odd days. So an ordinary year has 1 odd day, a leap year has 2 odd days. Okay. So Now it is time to count the number of odd days in the first 100 years. First 100 years. So how do you calculate number of odd days? Number of odd days in the first 100 years. First of all, you have to break down this into number of ordinary years and number of leap years. So how do you find out the number of leap years? You divide this by 4. When you are given a number of years n, you divide it by 4. The quotient is the number of leap years. The quotient is number of leap years. But the most important point here is when you divide 100 by 4, you will get 25. But there are no 25 leap years, only 24 only leap years in the first 100 years. Why? Because 100th year is not a leap year. 100th year is not a leap year. So you divide 100 by 4, you will get, even though you are getting 25, you should exclude 100th year. Therefore, you will get only 24 leap years. So 100 years, first 100 years, you can write it as 24 leap years plus remaining is 76 ordinary years. This 24 leap years has, each leap year has 2 odd days. So 24 into 2, and 76 ordinary years has 76 odd days. So totally 124 odd days. Again you divide it by 7, you will get 17 weeks plus 5 odd days, which is equal to 5 odd days. Therefore, first 100 years has 5 odd days. So first 200 years must have 10 odd days, 2 into 5, right? 10 odd days. But what is 10? 10 is equal to 3. Once you divide 10 by 7, you will get a remainder 3. So 100 years has 5 odd days, 200 years has 3 odd days. And coming to 300 years, 100 years 5, so 300 years 15. Divide 15 by 7, you will get 2 weeks plus 1 remainder. So 300 years has 1 odd day. When it comes to 400 year, first 400 years, it must have 20 odd days. It must have 4 into 5, 20 odd days. Plus 400th year is also a leap year. So one more odd day will be there. Totally 21 odd days. So 400 years, first 400 years has 21 odd days. Again 21 is equal to 0 odd days because it is divisible by 7. It is equal to 0 odd days, right? So how do you find the day according to the remainder? When you divide the given number of days by 7, you will get a remainder. You will get quotient plus some remainder. Remainder, name it as m. So m can take value from 0 to 6. 0 to 6, right? So because we are dividing by 7, remainder can be maximum 6. So if the remainder is 0, the day is Sunday. The remainder is 1, the day is Monday. Remainder is 2, the day is Tuesday, like that. Remainder is 6, day is Saturday, right? So 0 Sunday, 1 month, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wed, 4 Thur, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday. You can remember like this. Now we are going to solve some problems based on these concepts. What was the day of the week on 16th July 1776? We have to break down the 1776 into 1700 and 16th July, 16th, right? 16th July 1776. How do you break this? 1775 years plus current year. Current year, right? What is that current year? Current year is from 1st January to 16th July. Current year from 1st January to 16th July. So this 1775 years, you can convert this into 1600 years plus 100 years plus 75 years, right? Total 1775. Why to convert like this? Because 1600 is a 400 multiple. We try to express in terms of 400 multiple plus 100 years plus 75 years plus current year plus current years. This 1600 years has 0 odd days because every 400 years has 0 odd days. So 400 multiples also have 0 odd days. So therefore 0 odd days. 100 years has 5 odd days. 75 years. So this 75 we have to break down into number of leap years plus number of ordinary years. So how do you get number of leap years? You divide the 75 by 4, you will get a 18 as quotient. So 18 leap years, the remaining is 57 ordinary years. 57 ordinary years. So 18 leap years has 18 into 2, 36 odd days, and this has 57 odd days. And you sum or you directly divide this by 7, you will get 1 odd day. 35 is 7 into 5, 35. 1 odd day. When you divide this by 7, you will get 1 odd day. Right? So total 2 odd days. So 75 years has 2 odd days, and current year, coming to the current year, the current year is from 1st July to current year from 1st January to 16th July. 16th July 1776. Now we need to count the number of odd days month wise. But before that, you remember um, the first 6 months. This is the important point. The first 6 months of a leap year has 0 odd days. First 6 months of a leap year has 0 odd days. First 6 months of ordinary year has 6 odd days. So this is leap year, this is ordinary year. So we are calculating from 1st January to 16th July. 1st January to 1st January 1776 to 30th June 1776, you have 0 odd days because 1776 is divisible by 4. It is a leap year. So leap year has 0 odd days in the first 6 months, 0 odd days. And the current month, remaining month is 16th July up to 1st July to 16th July. So 1st July to 16th July have 16 days. 16 days when you divide it by 7, you will get 2 odd days. 2 odd days. So here totally 2 odd days. Current year has 2 odd days. So you take the total, you will get a 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is equal to 0 odd days. So 5 plus 2 plus 2, it is equal to 2 odd days. So the answer is 2 odd days. 2 odd days is equal to Tuesday. And the remainder is 2. And the remainder is 2. It is Tuesday. So therefore, 2 odd days means Tuesday is the answer. So coming to this problem, what was the day of the week on 15th August 1947, Independence Day? So it is 1947, 15th August 1947 it is 1946 years plus current year, right? And we have to break down this into 1600 years plus 300 years plus 46 years, right? Plus current year. I am writing the same as in vertical form. 1600 years has 0 odd days, 300 years has 1 odd day, 46 we need to count. 46 years, again we have to break this into number of leap years. You divide it by 4, you will get 11. So 11 leap years plus what is the remaining? Remaining is, you subtract 46 minus 11, you will get 35. 35 ordinary years. 35 ordinary years. So 11 leap years has 22 odd days. This has 35 odd days. 35 is equal to 0 because when you divide it by 7, this is 7 multiple. And 22 is divided by 7, you will get 1 odd day. So totally 1. So this 46 years has 1 odd day. Coming to the current year, it is 15th August. 15th August is um, first 6 months plus July plus August 15th, right? And because 1947 is not a leap year, it is an ordinary year. First 6 months has 6 odd days plus July. July has 31 days. 31 is divided by 7, you will get 3 odd days. And current month is August, August 15th. Up to August 15th, you have 15 days. 15 days divided by 7, you will get 1 odd day. So totally 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is again equal to 0. So answer is 3. So current year has 3 odd days. So in total you will get 5 odd days. So total answer is 5 odd days. 5 odd days is equal to what? When the remainder is 5, it is Friday. So therefore, 15th August 1947 was Friday. Coming to the next problem, what was the day of the week on 16th April 2000? 16th April 2000 is 1999 years plus current year. 1999 years is 1600 years plus 300 years plus 99 years plus current year. 1600 years has 0 odd days, 300 years has 1 odd day. 99 years, we break down into leap years and non-leap years. Leap years is again 24 plus 75 ordinary years. So this is leap years. So into 2, we have to 2. It is 48 odd days plus 75 odd days. So 48 when you divide it by 7, you will get 6 remainder. Here also divided by 7, 75, you will 5. It is 11. Again 11 divided by 7, you will get 4 remainder. So 99 years has 4 odd days. Coming to the current year, it is 16th April. And current year is a leap year. So February has 29th and 29 days. So January has 31 days, which is equal to 3 odd days. Plus February has 29 days, which is equal to 1 odd day. Plus March has 31 days, which is equal to 3 odd days. Equal to means you divide it by 7, you will get a remainder. And current month is April. It has 16 days, which is equal to 2 odd days. April has 16 days only. 16th April because it is. So it has 2 odd days. So 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 7. 7 is again equal to 0. 0 odd days. So answer is 2. So it is current year has 2 odd days. So totally it is 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is equal to 0 odd days. 0 odd days. 0 odd days is equal to Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. 16th April 2000 was. On what dates of July 2004 did Monday fall? So we need to find out first July of, to find on what days Monday falls in 2004 July. We need to find out first July 2004, right? Which is equal to 2003 years plus current year, which is equal to 2000 plus 3 years plus current year. Because 2000 is a multiple of 400, it has 0 odd days. 3 ordinary years has 3 odd days. Current year is 2004 is a leap year. Leap year has first 6 months 0 odd days. And July first you take up to first 6 months it is 0 only. Plus current month. Current month is first July. First July has only 1 odd day. So it is 1. Totally 4. So totally 4 odd days are there. 4 is equal to Thursday, 4th, then 5th will be Friday, 6th is Saturday, 7th will be Sunday, 8th will be Monday. Right? So we are asked to find on what dates Monday fall. 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, and 29th. These dates Monday falls in July 2004. Coming to this problem, January 1st, 2004 was a Thursday. What day of the week lies on Jan 1st, 2005? See, first 2004, because 2004 is a leap year, it has February 29th. Because it is leap year, 2004 is a leap year, we have to add plus 2. We have to add 2. Because it is Thursday, right? Thursday is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 is Saturday. 6 is equal to Saturday. So answer is Saturday. Coming to this problem, on 8th March 2005, Wednesday falls. What day of the week was it on 8th March 2004? Now here, this is 2004 and this is 2005. Right? Here the most important point is current year 2004 is a leap year. So it has Feb 29th. Feb 29th. Right? So now the given date is 8th March. 8th March falls after Feb 29th. Here also it is 8th March. Suppose this is Feb, right? 8th March falls out after February. So because the current year is 2004, is a leap year, we have Feb 29th, and 8th March falls after February, we have to add plus 1 in the forward direction. If you are asked to find the problem in the reverse direction, it is minus 1. If the given date is before Feb 29th, somewhere here between from January 1st to February 29th, if the date was given between these days, then on the same day you will get like this, right? Suppose it is somewhere in the middle of January, here also somewhere in the middle of January, the date is right, same date. When the date falls before Feb 29th, it is plus 2. Plus 2 in the forward direction, minus 2 in the reverse direction. That means you are given this date, you can find this date by subtracting 2. You are given this day, you can find this day by adding 2. Right? But if the day falls after Feb 29th, it is plus or minus 1. So when it crosses Feb 29th falls between the dates, Feb 29 falls between the dates, it is plus or minus 2. If the date falls beyond Feb 29th, then it is plus or minus 1. So you are given 8th March 2005 here. This is given, you are asked to find, sorry, this is given, you are asked to find this day. When this is Thursday, Wednesday, this is Wednesday, right? You are going in the reverse direction, it is minus 1. So it must be Tuesday. Wednesday minus 1 is Tuesday. So answer is Tuesday. On what dates of April 2001 did Sunday fall? Right? April 2001. April 2001 is equal to 2000 years plus current year. 2000 years has 0 odd days. Current year is from 1st January 2001 to 1st April 2001. We have to consider 1st April first of all. When nothing date is given, right? No date is given, you have to take 1st April. So current year has January has 3 odd days because 2001 is ordinary year. Feb has 0 odd days. March has 3 odd days from plus 1st April. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7 equal to 0. Again 7 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. So 0 odd days is equal to Sunday. Now today is Friday. After 62 days, it will be. Whenever you are asked to find this kind of thing, when you are asked this kind of problem, right? Because 63 is a multiple of 63 is a multiple of 7. 63 is a multiple of 7. Right? After every 7 multiple, it will be same day. It will be same day after every 7 multiple. If it is Friday, today is Friday, after 63 days, again it will be Friday. Right? After any 7 multiple means after 63 days, again it will be Friday. But after 62 days, it is minus 1. It is Thursday. So it is, answer is Thursday. The last day of a century cannot be which day? Remember, first 100 years has 5 odd days. 200 years has 3 odd days. 300 years has 1 odd day. 400 years has 0 odd days. That means last day of the first 100 years is Friday. 5 means Friday. Last day of first 200 years has is 3. 3 means Wednesday. The last day of 300 years is 1 means Monday. The last day of first 400 years is Sunday. Right? So again this will be repeated for 500 years, 500th year, 600th year, 700th year, 800th year, and 900th year. Like that it will be repeated, and other you have 4 days will be repeated. Other 3 days will never repeat. It will never come on the last day of any century. So in other 3 days we have Tuesday is there, and Thursday is there, Saturday is there, right? So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday we have Tuesday here. So in the options we have Tuesday. So the answer is Tuesday. So the last day of a century cannot be Tuesday. It will never be Tuesday. Thank you so much. Right. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.